Here's how to copy and paste text on your iPhone. Now, depending on whether you're in your Messages app or let's say your notes or anywhere else, we can always copy and paste that text. It works two different ways depending on which app you're in. Let's first just go to the Messages app. Let's say you wanted to copy a text message that someone sent you or that you sent, and then you wanted to paste it. Now, from here, if you just tap on the text, for instance, tapping on hi, doesn't do anything. Nothing pops up. Now, in some instances, like websites and the text message app, to be able to copy it, you need to press and hold. So if I press and hold on hi, there it pops up with copy. I can tap on that. And now in the text message field, I can just tap with my finger once and then hit paste. And it just does that. However, it works a bit different if there's text on your iPhone in a different screen like this, because you can see if I press and hold, it just moves the cursor there. In this instance, you need to double tap to select it. So if I double tap on YouTube, you can see it selects YouTube and I can hit copy. Now I can take my finger and scrub over to select more of it. Or let's say if you want to select an entire batch of text, you can triple click on it. So I'll triple tap on it, 1, 2, 3. It selects all of it, and then I can hit copy. Now all I need to do is take my finger and tap down at the bottom, maybe make a couple spaces. And now if I tap again on my finger, you can see I can hit the paste button and it will paste it into anywhere else. Of course, I can always just bring it back into the Messages app and I can tap and hit paste in here as well.